Hello everybody, welcome back to Do Metal Stuff. In this video I'm gonna take some parts apart, like the rocker arm and the cover of the Bullgear.
Today I'm gonna dismount the Bullgear housing. This thing, and see what's behind this big gear. So let's get started. I already taken off this retaining clip. It was sitting around here, and this is the plug that's in the rocker arm moving around. Somehow it's stuck. Okay, let's see. It will not move. Then I will choose the other round. I will remove those bolts first. Maybe that's helping me a little bit more. Okay, this will move, but then this free. Here we go. Oh, there's a metal chip. So this is the this is the stroke length adjuster. Don't know why this plug will not move. I don't think there is something holding it, but okay, now it's stuck, so it's definitely something made a burr, I think, around here. So, and as you can see, this side is yellow and this side isn't. So somebody went through the size and put some stuff on here. I don't know what it is, but maybe you do. Maybe some bracing or something. As you can see here, here is some residue left over, and here also a little lump. Here, don't know what happened, but that's an easy fix. But maybe I will recreate this one, because this is, by my understanding, not normal. Remove the chip in here. This is a big one. Let's take this cover off first. Now we have this ring. It needs to be removed. It's the wrong size. I think I've got a problem. This needs to be going out. Out, 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 out. I think I'm gonna need to drill this out. So I don't know if I'm there yet, but it might be. Let's see. Now let's see if we can move this a little bit. Nope. It will not. Darn, this stuff is tight. It's not moving at all. So that plan failed. I was trying to push this up, but that's not the case. So that one is free. Now we have another problem, because I don't have these pin tools. Hey, where you going? Nope. What to do, what to do, what to do. Hello, bearing. As you can see, the bearing is in there. So I need to make myself a pin spanner, I think. I need to destroy this ring. And it might be that I need to buy some new bearings, but can also be dirt.
Finally got this one loose. I made a tool for it. It's not the prettiest one, but here it is. My big fat pin spanner. It was freaking tight. I don't know how, but there are metal pieces inside here. Can you see that one? Focus, thank you. And there. Broke my hammer. That's a bummer. I was hitting this axle and then kaput. So I want to get this cover of the axle of the Bullgear, but this is too light. This don't work, so I need to figure out another way. Normally you should shove this on a press or something, but as you know, in my shed there is no press. So janky setup number 1. So I hope this works, but I don't know. Let's try. Nope, it don't work. I'm lifting up the table. I can't go further anymore because it needs to be on the. It needs to be pushed out under the press. So, as you can see here, this thing has been running without oil. And here's the rocker arm movement block thingy. All those black dots are leftover metal shavings, I believe. I think. Let's do this side. There's the grey stuff back in here. So I bet somebody has tried to fix this thing with some kind of metal, as you can see here. I don't know what kind of stuff this is, so maybe in the future I'm gonna remake this, but I don't know yet. There's a oil displacement groove in here that goes from here to the back side, and then they made a ring, 4 little holes in an angle. But yeah. So if you know what this stuff might be, please let me know in the comments down below. I can do a scratch test maybe to see if this stuff is hard. It's not real hard, so it might be tin or silver, I don't know. Pretty shiny though. So Michael had a question. Michael of Rust Inox asked me if I know how this axle can be removed from the rocker arm. So let's see. Can't see shit in here. Nope. Hold up. Need some light. So there are no grub screws in these in this piece of cast iron here and over here. So let's take a look at the bottom. And there are none underneath here, as you can see. And this is just free sliding. Let's do the tappy tap on this side. because when I measured this side, like so, it says, hold on, this is not good. It says 20 millimeters. And if I do this side, it's 21. So you need to tap on this side. Got my special tool made here. That fits. It's moving. Look, it sticks out. Here it is, Michael. The answer to your question. Just hit it with a piece of copper and a hammer and you will get it out.